Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Searching for the perfect cordless car vacuum cleaner? Look no further. In today's video, we'll guide you through the top contenders, helping you make an informed decision for the best car vacuum cleaner cordless. Let's dive in. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer for car enthusiasts. Automobile, this sleek powerhouse effortlessly banishes dust and crumbs, transforming your car into a spotless sanctuary. With its compact design and robust suction, it navigates every nook and cranny with ease. The cordless freedom ensures an unhindered cleaning experience, and the battery life is nothing short of impressive. Sleek, powerful, and tailored for cars, this Black Plus Decker gem is a must-have for anyone who takes pride in a pristine ride. Revolutionize your car cleaning routine and let this vacuum redefine convenience and efficiency. Number 2. VacLife Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly tackles crumbs, dust, and pesky pet hair in your vehicle, leaving it spotless in minutes. With its compact design and powerful suction, this cordless wonder is a must-have for car enthusiasts. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the versatile attachments reach every nook and cranny. Say goodbye to clunky cords and hello to hassle-free cleaning. Elevate your car care routine with VacLife, where convenience meets excellence. Number 3. Beyond Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly tackles crumbs, pet hair, and dust, leaving your ride spotless in seconds. With its cordless design, you're free from the hassle of tangled wires. The compact yet mighty Beyond ensures every nook and cranny is pristine, giving your car that showroom shine. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning and hello to unmatched convenience. Elevate your car care routine with this must-have gadget. Beyond Vacuum Cleaner Cordless, where innovation meets automotive perfection. Number 4. Tangled Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer for car cleaning. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly tackles crumbs, dirt, and pesky pet hair, ensuring your ride stays showroom ready. With its compact design and powerful suction, this cordless wonder is a must-have for every car owner. The convenience of no cords means you can reach every nook and cranny without hassle. The long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Tangled has truly revolutionized on-the-go cleanliness, making your car interiors sparkle with minimal effort. Say goodbye to car mess headaches and hello to a spotless drive. Number 5. Blessed Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer for car enthusiasts. This sleek powerhouse effortlessly banishes every crumb, dust, and pesky pet hair, turning your car interior into a spotless sanctuary. With its lightweight design and powerful suction, the Blessed ensures a hassle-free cleaning experience. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to maneuver effortlessly in every nook and cranny. Forget the hassle of tangled cords, this cordless wonder delivers unmatched convenience. Equipped with versatile attachments, it's not just a vacuum, it's your car's best friend. Unleash the power of Blessed and elevate your car cleaning routine to a whole new level. In conclusion, choosing the best cordless car vacuum cleaner can make a world of difference in keeping your vehicle spotless. Whether it's powerful suction, sleek design, or versatile features, finding the perfect match for your needs is essential. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and here's to hassle-free car cleaning.